Welcome to Slippery Rock University's video presentation on faculty grading using Banner 9. In Banner 9, there are two ways to enter grades. In this video, you will learn how to enter grades through an export-import process. No grading may be imported from D2L at this time. If you do not want to enter grades using Excel, please see our other video for instructions on how to enter grades through the faculty grading application. Please note, grading in D2L and Banner are not the same. Official grading is completed through Banner, not D2L. The class lists listed in Banner are the official class lists for your course. If you have added someone to your D2L class list, that does not mean that they are registered for your course. To begin, please log into your SRU portal. Next, click on the Faculty tab. In the Course-Related Links portlet, please click on Grade Entry, New Banner 9 link. At the top, you can choose between midterm grades or final grades. The page defaults to final grades. Please select the appropriate type of grading you are trying to enter. You will also see an option for gradebook, but at this time, we are not utilizing this feature. Once you select midterm or final grades, you will see all of your courses listed here that are eligible for grading. The listing of courses defaults to 10 courses, but you are able to display more by clicking here. On the right, you can search for a course by number or title to display only that course. You are able to see the following information for each course: grading status, if the grades have been rolled, the subject, course, and section number, title of the course, the term in which it was offered, and the CRN. For the grading status and rolled columns, you will see the progress of each course. It will say, not started, in progress, or completed. Please note, if a student has withdrawn from your course, the status for both of these columns will be in progress. The rolled column is for academic records and registrations use, so you can ignore this column. To view course details, including the number of ungraded records, click on a course, and then click on the left-facing arrow next to the search bar to reveal the course details box. There are symbols in the middle of the page that allow you to minimize or maximize portions of the screen. The circle in the middle returns the page to the default appearance. To enter grades, please select the course that you are wanting to enter grades for. At the top of the screen, click on the gear icon. Select Export Template, and then the Microsoft Excel format that you wish to use. Click Export. Open the downloaded spreadsheet and enable editing in the file if it prompts you to do so. In this document, you will see information for this course, including term code, CRN, student name, student ID, if the grade has been rolled, the title of the course, any grades that have already been entered, such as withdrawal grades, and last date of attendance. Do not change any data in the columns on the spreadsheet besides entering the required data for student grades and last date of attendance. Edit this document to enter all grades that students have earned. It does not matter if the grades are entered in upper or lowercase on the spreadsheet. If the student has earned an F, N, C, or X grade, you must enter a last date of attendance in the last attend date box. If the student has never attended your course, please enter the first date of the term as a last date of attendance. You do not need to enter a last date of attendance for midterm grades. To show you what happens if you do not enter a last date of attendance for a final grade of F, N, C, or X, I will leave this grade without a last date of attendance. If you are awarding an incomplete grade, do not enter an incomplete final grade or extension date. These fields will auto-populate once uploaded into Banner Faculty Grading. Save the file once completed and navigate to the Faculty Grading screen again in your SRU portal. Click on the course that you are working with, and then click on the gear icon in the top right. This time, please select Import. Click in the Browse field to find the file you wish to import. Select your file and click Open. In the Import wizard, click Upload and then Continue. Preview the file that you are importing. Unfortunately, you are unable to expand this window, so utilize the arrows at the bottom to view all columns. If the file is correct, click Continue. Or if you need to update and re-upload the file, click Go Back. Review the column mapping to ensure data is imported into the correct fields. Term code, CRN, and student ID are required. If correct, click Continue. If not, click Go Back to correct and re-upload the file. This screen will show the number of records that will be imported and if there were any with errors. In a future release, you will be able to download a validation report to review errors located here. However, the Download Validation Report link at this time is not operational. Click Continue to import your grade roster. Click Finish to close the import wizard. To view if any of your grades had errors, please scroll through your class list to ensure every student has a grade that was accepted in the system. Ensure all grades were imported by checking that the grading status bar has been marked complete. If there are missing grades once the import is completed, it is easiest to manually enter the grades into the system by clicking on the drop-down for that student. If you awarded any incomplete grades, please see our Incomplete Grade Notes video to learn more about adding notes for students who earned incomplete grades. If you have any questions, please contact Academic Records and Registration at academic.records@sru.edu or 724-738-2010.